So today we'll be showing you guys how to replace the kickstand on your Apollo Pro 2023. For this repair, the only tool required is a 3mm Allen key. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab a friend and flip the scooter over so that you have an easier time to access the screws that hold the kickstand in place. Next, we can go ahead and grab a 3mm Allen key and we can remove the screws that hold it. So now we'll go ahead and do the other side. So now with the screws all removed, you should be able to just lift the kickstand up like this. So now we'll go ahead and replace the kickstand. For the purpose of this video, we'll just be reusing the same kickstand. Alright, and that is how you replace the kickstand on your Apollo Pro 2023.